Stop making boring BooBoo gown and kaftan styles. Stop it now. Now this video is going to be showing you things you can add that will make your own BooBoo gown stand out. Now, I've always told you that if you are coming into this ready-to-wear business, come in with a mindset that you are coming to do something different. Do not come in the market, you see a particular BooBoo already trending, you follow it. People tend to get tired of a particular design. That is my experience. Being in the market, immediately a new style starts trending, enter that time it started. If at the end of the day you entered late, don't make it. Or if you are going to be making it, do not put a lot of your money into it. You will agree with me now that this cargo Ankara palazzo trouser has finished raining. Now, the people that entered when it just started are the ones that made the money. Now it's rampant, it's everywhere. Even some people are making it on their own. So you see, you going into that business now, it's not wise. I'm going into it if you have a way of tushing it out. That's the reason for this video. I want to show you ways by which you can upgrade your sewing. Okay, now what does this upgrade mean? I can be making BooBoo gown and you two are making BooBoo gown. All right, we'll be 3 in our line. We are all selling BooBoo gown, but just one thing will make my own outstanding. Okay, so you look at what people have in the market and bring new trends. You will agree with me that the very first person that made that palazzo trouser, Ankara trouser, is now a millionaire. You will agree with me, because before people started seeing it, she has sold out what she wanted to sell. So you now, it's almost everywhere now, and you make it. You will find out that you make it will remain there with you. Not that people will not buy it, but there will be no rush for it. And I don't know, maybe I'm the one having that issue. I want rush. I like rush. If I make something and people are not rushing it, I will leave it. I won't do it. So I like being the first, or even among the first people to start up a trend. So by the time it is rampant, I'm done with that one, and I'm moving on to another one. That's why I always tell you people to follow the trend, so you don't get left out. Something like corset now has finished raining. If you are still making corset and sampling, I don't know how you want to sell it. But when it first came out, there was this rush for it. Now the rush is no more there. So if you are ready to wear designer and you want to start going into it for adults, then you are not going to be making enough sales. But if you are going into it for children, it's trending right now. Corsets for ready to wear for children is trending right now. Maybe later I'll be posting the styles I have on it. You too can try it. December is just around the corner. Put your eye down, put your ears down to start to wait for new styles that are going to be coming out that will be trending, so you can know where to start from. So this particular video is about how to touch up your BooBoo kaftan and BooBoo's gown and kaftan styles. Of course, you can see these beautiful styles you are seeing on the screen. You will agree with me that these styles are very beautiful, but I can tell you that there is something that if added to this style will make it more beautiful. Okay, and that is what I want to show you. You can be creative, you can have other ideas you can add to it, but this is one style that if you add it to any BooBoo gown or add it to any kaftan style, it brings it out more. It makes it look more important more. It makes it look more serious. Okay, and that is this. Can you see? Can you see? Adding a hoodie to your BooBoo gown, to your kaftan. Now, if you add BooBoo to it, if you add hoodie to it, a Muslim lady can wear it. A Christian lady can wear it. Can you see the kind of market you have created for yourself? A Muslim lady can wear it, a Christian lady can wear it, a Muslim lady can wear it, and it adds extra seriousness to it. Okay, this is one style that nobody is really making. You will agree with me that e go hard make you dey waka for street see bubu gown wey carry hoodie, but it's trending right now. It's trending. So I told you I'll be bringing new styles that are trending for you to see. Now watch this video. Will you try it out? Try it out and let's see how it goes. Bubu and Kaftan styles with hoodie is the in thing right now. Okay? Don't stop making boring kaftans. Stop making boring bubu gown styles. Follow the trend. I've shown you one trend now. The trend is hoodie. It makes it casual wear. It makes it church wear. It makes it religious. So when you look for those beautiful designs, another thing you are going to look out for is the fabric you are going to be using. Please add hoodie to it. Okay, you can add outside pockets to it. You can add cape to it. There's a lot you can do. But the reason why you are not making sales is because most times, I will keep telling you, is because most times you are selling what others are selling. You are selling what uh, you are selling what a lot of people are selling. You are doing what a lot of people are doing exactly the same way. We all on this YouTube channel, on this YouTube street, we are copying. There is nobody that will say, I am the owner of this style. We are all copying what other people are doing, but we are being creative about it. When you see a style that you like, don't just go out and create exactly when e no be suit. It's only a suit that will show. If I can have the same design, maybe 50 pieces of it. No, but when making bubu gown, it can be the same fabric but different styles. That's the way I make mine. It might be the same fabric, but it's going to be the same styles of bubu gown. And I tell you, there's a lot of styles you can access. I have many of them on my channel. If you want more, just let me know. If you are going to be trying this out and selling, let me know in the comment section. And most times the fabric you need to make them is not even much. 3 years have made this, so be encouraged, be strong, be intentional about what you want to do. Copy people's styles, touch it up yourself, and the remaining is for God to do. And I bet you are going to be happy you watched this video. Trying out these styles I just showed you. Hit the like button. Let me know that you love this my video. I need to be sure that you love the videos I'm making. If you know you watched till this time, please tap on the like button. Let me know that you loved it and drop me a comment. God bless.